Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me over here on Pickin' Stitches, and today I'm going to be unboxing the latest Fat Quarter Shop bundle that has come in. I believe that this is the Hoffman one, but I'm not 100% sure. So let's open it up and take a peek. I get a couple different Fat Quarter Shop bundles every month, and I do like that kind of helps backfill my stock. And so anyways, yes it is. Okay. So these are all batiks, and I haven't sewn a ton with batiks in quite a while. I did a lot early on when I first started making quilts, but it's been a little while, and I am so super excited about this. It's kind of funny to me though, because this grouping has like a lot of purple in it. I like it. I think it's beautiful, but it's funny to me because I know Kimberly over at Fat Quarter Shop is not a big purple fan. Of course, she doesn't sew with batiks either, so there you go. Okay, so let me show you the close-up of the card going the right direction. So really pretty teals and purples and some whites. They generally are going to come with 12 in each bundle, and this is featuring Prismatic Blooms by Hoffman Fabrics. So this is a curated group by the Fat Quarter Shop. This isn't typically a bundle. But really, really gorgeous colors. Look at that color wave. That's really nice. Kind of clashes with my green shirt here. Okay, so let's open it up and take a peek. I keep threatening to do a collage quilt, and one of these days I'm going to have enough time to do that, but thus far I've been working, I'm going to have to do a count. I don't know how many quilts I've actually done so far this year. I had 5 or 6 queued up that I needed to quilt when I got the long arm, and I'm still kind of moving slow, but I'm going to have to do a head count. I'll post it in the description here when I get done with this video. Okay, so this first one is like navy. It's got a lot of purple, some dainty kind of flowers, smaller stuff, little dot patterns. That's fun. And then this is the same color wheel, but mostly all leaves. That's really pretty. And I might have to arm wrestle my daughter for this one. Look at that. It's like an ink stain tie-dye. Oh, almost like when you take permanent markers and you put them on fabric and then you put a little alcohol so the color just bleeds. It looks really good. All right, and then we've got this great same print, but with greens and a little bit of like almost yellows kind of pulling through it. Not super bright. And then our leaf pattern in that same one. I like that. And then this is almost the reverse of the first one. So it is mainly teal and green with the leaf pattern being purple instead of the first one, which actually it's the second one. The second one was the leaf pattern. Oh, there we go. I've got them 3 in a row. Leaf pattern, and leaf pattern. So I like that. It really pulls all of that together nicely. And I did do a couple patchwork quilts with batiks early on, and I really like them. My son Rowan still loves it. It's his first quilt that he carries around all the time. I think it's because I made a minky back on it that he still loves that quilt, but he carries it everywhere he goes. And I like this one. Of course it's teal. Like, I pretty much love anything that's in teal. And then that same kind of faded ink look. I like that. That's really bright. And then our leaves again. So yes, one of these days I am going to make Caleb the Camel, and I will show you guys all of the details on it, and I will have so many fabrics to choose from by then. That's really pretty too. All right, so that is it on this Fat Quarter bundle. I'd love to hear if you guys have any suggestions on something that I should try with some of these bundles, or if you have projects that you're working on, let me know. If you like these unboxing videos or any of my other tutorials, it would help me out a ton if you would like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget about our Facebook group. I'd love to hear what you guys are working on, what projects you have going, and that's just a way that you can share your photographs with me, which we can't do here on YouTube. So anyways, until next time, I will see you then.